Hello teacher, today I'm gonna show you our final footer project, the e-learning. And as you can see here, I will demonstrate in the app, in the window app version and the web version for easy to compare. And actually we have the phone version here, but I will show you later. I will log in at by the demo credential. And as you can see here, uh, we have the instructor dashboard with the name, the course, the group, the student, assignment, and quizzes, and it's zero because we didn't add anything here. So we have three semester here, so I will import more from the CSV file. And as you can see here, we successfully import 3 semester, and 3 semester already exist, so we skip it. Actually, we can manually add semester. And we can mark it at current. We can also edit it, and we can also delete it. Okay, I will mark the 2025 at the current, and we can search semester like it 2027. Yeah, and the next one is manage courses, and you can see here we can choose semester to see its courses. One semester we have multiple courses, and we can import from CSV. I add 18 courses in different semester. You can see here our current semester have 3 courses. Each semester I have 3 courses, but my current is 3 courses. So actually I can create a new courses like CS 101, the flute 15 session, and the description. And I can also open the course by. I will demonstrate it later. We can edit it, and we can also delete it. Okay, so the next one is the manage student. I will add student from CSV file. I successfully import 15 students, and I will manually add my student with the real email to receive a notification. Okay, for one student, you can see my student created here, and for the student we can view the detail, the email, username, join, student ID. We can edit the name, and we can also delete it. Okay, we can search, for example, I'll search for the student name Cường. We have 2 student name Cường here. So the next one, the group, and each semester we will have multiple group, and one course we have multiple group too. So for example, I will demonstrate you. For the cost of engineering, we have SA1, the group SA1, and the group SA2. So we have two groups SA1 and SA2 in here. And for this SA1, I will add like this, 7 students. And for the group SA2, I will add the others. Okay, we have 7 students in SA1 and 8 students in SA2. For example, we have the course computer network, CN1, and we can see that we have all the students to add in this course because the overall student is equal to the total student in total group of this course. And we can choose the semester in the dashboard to see its cost, like the current one have 3 courses and 15 students, 3 groups. You can see the process overview here. And for the student view, I will log in at the Cường student. The password is the same as the username when we created the student. And you can see here in the dashboard of the student, I can see my name and ID, and I can see the course I added here. For the course by, I will demonstrate the course by. The first one, I will add the announcement. Hello. And the group will see this announcement with the A2 and the files, the to show this file. And as you can see here, this student cannot see the announcement because this student is in group SL1. So I will edit this to SL1 our group and update it, and you can see it immediately appear here. And I can read the announcement and then I choose the file to download it. I can also comment in here. And as you can see here, we can see the comment of our student. Actually, I can edit this announcement. Immediately appear in the student view. And we can read them one to delete it. Yeah, this is the announcement. The next one is the course, the classwork, and I will create an assignment here. For example, module 1. The day and deadline is start day is today, and the deadline is by default is 1 week. We can choose another day, and we can allow like submission. The submission system, we have the maximum attempts, the max file size, and the visibility of course, and also the attachment. Okay, we have three files here. Let's create it. And after the few seconds, the assignment will appear, and it immediately appear in the student view. And for the student view, you can click in here. Actually, the student receive the notification from this announcement here. A new announcement has been posted in the software engineering, and the new assignment, the mooding one. Okay, um, okay, I can download the file, and I can read the information of this assignment. I can submit my work. I can view my submission, the file that I submit, and view it. Okay, and for the view of the instructor, I I can see the analysis of this assignment. We have 15%, but one submitted, and we have one submitted here. And we can view the submission. We can see it, and also we can grade it. So we can see the average rate is 100, and for the student view, we will receive the email that we have the feedback. Right here with the feedback, good job. At the instructor, we can edit the assignment too. Yeah, I will create a dump assignment to delete it. Or I just create the announcement, not the assignment. Okay, I will delete the assignment. Okay, deleted them. Okay, the next one is the question. And if we want to create questions, we have to have questions. And for the question bank here, we don't have any questions, so we'll create it manually. So we have two questions here, one easy, one medium. Let's just add one hard. We have three questions, and we can search by the level of question, and we can search question 2. We can edit the question, and we can also delete it. Okay, so now we have three questions in the question bank, and I will create a question. Default day is 1 week. So minus max attempt is 2, available to order, and it immediately appear in the student view, and I can click on it to do a a a. So my final score is 66.7. The correct answer is 2/3. A second, and it's my attempt 1. For the instructor view, we can see the statistic, and we also see the attempt of the student, and actually we can delete it, and we created them one to delete. Okay, this for the quizzes. The third one is the material. We can add file. um, we can add link. For example, let's add the YouTube link. And for the student, I can click to it. I can download this file. I can click to the link. And for the instructor, he can edit the material by adding more file or adding more links. um, yeah. We can also see the statistic here. And the next one is the I guess that in the classwork like quiz. So let's see the people tab. In the people tab, I can see the group and student English course. And in the course forum, I will create a new topic. Actually, the the student can create a topic too. Let's create a topic A in here with the attachment file and post it. And as you can see here, we have the topic one in here. And if I click in the topic, I can see the file, and I can click the file to download it. And also I can reply to it. Take file to my reply. And at the student, oh sorry, at the instructor, we can see the reply with the file. We can delete the student reply like this. and we can reply to the student. Um, for the instructor, we can also pin the topic, and we can also delete the topic. Okay. For the student, we can create new topic. Yeah, you can see here this topic is created by the student. So it's the course forum, and the student and the instructor can chat with each other. So I will chat to the administrator. Hello, teacher. And for the chat function, the instructor can see it in the message here. Hello, teacher. How are you, my lovely student? And I'm fine. How about you? Yeah, and you can see it immediately appear. We not have to go back and go in again to see the message. We can append file in here. Okay, and we can click in it to see the file. So this the chat function, and the administrator can chat to our student, but the student cannot chat to another student. He just chat to the instructor. Um, so for the interaction and notification, as you can see, we have the uh, notification when I create a new announcement, or assignment. So, and for student, we have the dashboard, the forum here of Discord, the message with the administrator, and the profile. And for the profile, the administrator or the student um, create a you can change the profile image. So what have we got here? Webcast, management, messenger, course, stream, classwork, people, course forum. For the uh, reports and analytics, we have the process overview here with the course group assignment spreadsheet. We can view all my course here, see the course page, have the quiz, the module, the docs, and we can view the analytics in each assignment. Okay, I can log in as admin in the web one. By name or email. Okay. Um. So I think this is all of our project. Oh, I forgot the font. So for the font, it also like normal web or app. See all the thing here like normal. Yeah, this is the end of our presentation. Thank you, teacher.